How's it going, everyone? Mike here with Merch by Amazon, March 2021 sales update. Okay, let's look at the whole month. I've been doing daily videos, but this is the big one. This is where I'm gonna go over the total numbers. I'm gonna keep this video short so that we can just jump into the important things. It's been a great month for anybody that's been watching any of the videos in the last month. You'll know that I was tiered up to 20,000. I skipped a tier. I went from 8,000 to 20,000, and this is the first month that I've actually been in that tier. So as you can see here, total number of sales for March in the US is 259 for the total amount of royalties of, as you can see here, $917.77. So that's the second best month since, let's go over here, April 2019. So now we're talking 2 years. So the best month, second best month in the last 2 years. The best month in the last 2 years is November of 2020. This is when one of my shirts basically just took off, and then 4 days after that, Amazon implemented a policy on profanity, and since this was political and profanity was directed at a specific individual or group, I think as they put it, it was taken down. So the sales spiked, went down, and then I got tiered up, and now sales are going back up again. So 259, and for the total across all marketplaces of 308. As you can see here, I've had at least one sale in every single marketplace. Japan was a big surprise. There was one day of 15 sales. It was, I think, one group purchase. Basically, 15 of one item was purchased, and then the other 10 sales were individual sales. The one note I'll make about Japan is that I've definitely been surprised. All my assumptions about what would sell in Japan were wrong. So that's gonna make me reevaluate my approach and think about the designs that I'm actually listing for sale in Japan and definitely all the other countries. Okay, so 308 sales, total royalties of about $1,100, which again is amazing. Let's see what we can do here. So my average has been hovering around 10 a day, which kind of goes along with this number. And this is probably the only inconsistent week that I've had since the beginning of the month, and they've definitely were working on something, and they introduced a new product last night, or I guess a type of a product, which is a case for Samsung Galaxy S20, or I'm not sure exactly what the design or the type of case it is. I've just hit about 8,000 sales in total, which would have meant that around this time, if we're looking at the number before returns, I would have been considered for the tier up to 10,000, but like I said, I skipped a tier, so that's great. As you can see here, I've reached $130,000 in sales since I started, and I'm just about to crack $23,000 in royalties. My royalties per sale have gone up over the last couple of months to $3. Well, this is overall actually. If I look at the last couple of months, including this month, the royalties are higher. They're about $3.50 per sale, which is pretty good because that's been going up since from about $2.50 or $2.25 because pop sockets have been my number one best seller. The last thing I'll say is I've been working really hard uploading a lot of products. I have a spreadsheet to go today, which will probably upload another 400 to 500 products. I'm gonna delete a bunch of tote bags and pillows, and I'm just going to go through that cycle and basically do the same thing until I'm at the point where I like the products and designs that are up, and we'll see how we go. So overall, a great month. March 2021 and then the whole first part of the year is amazing. $1,100 in royalties, which definitely is a pleasant surprise, even compared to, as you can see here, $575 in the U.S. market last month, and I believe that the total was something about $650. I'm not exactly sure. I just got paid a couple of days ago, and things are going well. Being in a tier 20,000 is really, really nice, and I hope that the sales keep at this pace and keep improving, and I'm definitely going to be working hard to get it to that point. So once again, 308 total sales, every single marketplace, total royalties of about $1,100. Thank you guys for watching. I hope your month was as good and better than mine. If you have any comments, suggestions, ideas, please leave them down below, and I'll see you soon.